type natboard.edu.in in your web browser or your mobile phone browser. This will take you to the home page of the application. There is a box for you to enter your login details. Your user ID is your registered mobile number, and your first time password has been sent to you in your email. When you log in for the first time, the system will prompt you to change your password. This is your landing page. Your landing page has a My Dashboard tab. The My Dashboard tab takes you to your dashboard, which has all the current details about your logbook cases, your pending procedures, your approved procedures, your thesis cases entered till date. All these details are here on the dashboard. Whenever you want to go to your landing page, click on the Dr. Log logo on the top left hand side. Adding a procedure is a two-stage process. You have to add a patient, and against that patient you can add a procedure. Add new patient form requires patient name, age, and sex. These are mandatory fields, and other fields are optional. After you have added a patient, you can go to the Add Procedure tab, search for the patient you are wanting to add a procedure against, and then click on the Add Procedure tab. You can also search for a patient in the Search tab, and that particular patient will be selected, and now you can click the Add Procedure tab. Here you have to fill the procedure details. Procedure name is to be chosen from a drop-down list. If the name of the procedure is not in the list, you can type a name and it will be saved for you for future use. Please note that the procedures have to be entered within 2 days of performing the procedure. You can enter other details about the procedure like your involvement in the procedure, choose diagnosis from the drop-down list or enter a new diagnosis, enter details about the type of anesthesia in the procedure, if there are any notes related to the procedure, you can enter them in the text box given below. If there are any complications related to the procedure, you can make a note of that as well in the box below and then click on Save Procedure. You have to submit a procedure for review by your guide within 5 days of creating a procedure. To submit a procedure for review by your guide, go to the Update Procedure tab, find the patient whose procedure you want to submit for approval. Click on the Send for Approve tab. Check all the details about the case. If they are okay, click on the Send for Approval button. And now the case has been sent to your guide for review. He or she will receive an email notification regarding the same. For updating a procedure details, go to the Update Procedure tab, click on the patient's name, and now you can update any details regarding that procedure. For example, you can add additional notes, procedure times, any additional complications, etc. After you are finished, click on the Update Procedure tab and your details are now saved. Exporting data to Excel is very easy. At any list that you see in the system, there is Export to Excel button at the bottom. You can click and that particular report will be exported to you in Excel. Click on the Yes when prompted by Windows, and now your data is here. You can save and print this data to create a hard copy of your logbook so that you don't have to manage additional copy of your logbook all the time. You can use filter and sort tools to great effect to filter for a particular procedure that you have performed. Or for example, if you wanted to find out all the procedures that you have performed in a particular year or a date range, you can do that from the filter drop down list as well. Save these details and print out a hard copy. On the top right hand side corner, there is a menu button where you can change your profile details, your password, and there's a logout button as well. For any details, write to us at drlog@nacboard.edu.in. Thanks for watching.